Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew Margarita for Cinco de Mayo. You're gonna start off with ½ ounce of agave syrup. Followed up with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 2 ounces of your tequila. We're gonna use Espolon Reposado today. ½ ounce of triple sec. And now, shake. Rim your glass with some of that lime. And then we're gonna dip it in tahini. Back with our margarita mixture, take your Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew, and you're gonna pour in a generous amount. We are not gonna shake this, we're gonna stir it. Stir it all together. Ice your glass, and enjoy. And that's a Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew Margarita. Cheers.